Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a passkey in Snapchat to make your account more secure. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar type Snapchat. Make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. If there is an update available, tap on Update and wait for it to finish. Once the app is updated, open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down until you find the Passkeys option. Tap on it. Here you'll be able to set up a passkey for extra security. You can choose Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode depending on what your device supports. For this tutorial, I'll select the passcode option. Simply enter your passcode and confirm it. Once that's done, your passkey will be successfully set up. And that's it! Your Snapchat account is now more secure. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.